I don't have this shit figured out at all. Anyway. There it is. Hey. I'm fixing to drive this bitch off. I'm ready to go to the creek. And I'm going to show you how to unload a damn jacked up vehicle. The easiest possible way. Unless something goes wrong. Watch this. Get our tools out of the way. My glasses, I stepped on them and broke the damn thing. I believe I can fix them. All right, here we go. Yeah, Rob. And that's how it's done. Offloading, jacked up vehicle, redneck style. Okay. This is the aftermath of that bullshit. It was so easy. Y'all take this into accountability because you're going to do it at a later date. I promise you. Now look. Here comes Robert. Look out. Oh my God. Anyway, that damn church bus weighs about 7,000 pounds. It's a bitch to pick it up. Now, look. Here's all the tools it took to even get it up. I got 1, 2, 3, 24, it'll be 27. I got 27 tools on this damn job and barely got that son of a bitch picked up. But it wasn't that hard to get it off, I promise you. Give it a little gas. Happy Redneck. Do you believe my crazy ass, after all that, didn't bother to tighten the lug nuts up on the tire? Have you lost your mind? Shit. I'm gonna go tighten the lug butts up. Butts up. Back. Why do you want to fight like that? Robert. Robert. I think I was the instigator of that. I really do. I might do better. Let me get back with you. I think my cat's mad with me. Oh, see there? That's how Suzanne does me. Fuck. Uh-oh. They tear up some shit. Who in the fuck calls their cat like that? I promise if you feed them, they'll come. Uh-oh. Here comes Robert tearing up some shit. That's my burn pile right there. Oh, here comes that cat. Yeah, enough of that shit. You want me to stick one of them dogs on? I don't have one that will stick on a cat. They beat them up. Bye, y'all.